What up, y'all? Long time no see, man. It's your boy Lino Chase back at it again with a new video, man. It's been a minute. I've been working. I promise you I've been working. Sheesh. Where should I pick up at? Let's say, okay, boom. So we sold the Tesla. The Tesla Model S is gone. It's out of here. It's not coming back. We traded it in for a new Audi e-tron. That thing nice too. That thing nice too. It's quiet though. I mean, it's quiet though. Let me see. Can we get up in here? Can we get up in here? All right. Golly, it's dirty. That's because I've been out here doing a lot of work. Hold on. Let's see. Foot on the brake. Can't forget that. And yeah. So the Tesla's gone, and then we was house shopping after we bought the Tesla. Brand new crib. It's going to be a rental unit. So I got the guys in here working right now. Tired already. And I just turned the dang camera on. I'm tired already. Let's see what our guys got going on up in here. My buddy, that's my buddy right there. My buddy. Cylinders was, hold on. All right, so the cylinders was terrible. And since the cylinders were so bad, we had to scrape those down, and then we did what they call clean skies. So he got this thing going, looking really nice and sweet. All this is one other color. It's the kitchen. No, I didn't get an open concept home. You gotta start from the bottom. You know what I'm saying? Oh, there's stuff everywhere. The garbage disposal stinks. You need a new garbage disposal. So if you know of any good ones, let me know. The BMW is still here. Of course, it might get sold. And another new addition to the family, we got a Benelli. Oh man, I love that little bike so much. I be out here. Matter of fact, let me know if y'all want to see some Willy videos. You know what I'm saying? Bust them out with a big Willy and not like Will Smith. You know what I'm saying? So we got them working on that. This is what we're trying to do. We're trying to make some money out here. You know what I'm saying? We ain't even playing with them. We ain't playing with them. It's the favorite part. Let me show you the backyard. It's stuff everywhere. We got staircase and flooring. Staircase, flooring. Let's see. Shout out to the homies. Know what I'm saying? They sent me that. This is the reason why I bought the place though. Why I know somebody would love to rent it. Let's see if we get a good shot of that. Yeah, I can't get through there right now because we got stair flooring in the way. Well, yep, stair flooring in the way. Let's see. Oh. The backyard is just terrible. Let's see. No, you know what? I was trying to get through there for y'all, but it ain't gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna scrap that. That's hard to step over. That wasn't easy. That was not easy to step over. I'm about to say, I thought I locked myself out. I was about to be like, that ain't gonna work. So I should have recorded that conversation that I just had. Let me get back in focus. No lie, I told the guy that's doing my countertops that I wanted to rent the property. But I'm not gonna be ready for at least another year or so. Why he just called me and said, hey, I know someone who's ready to rent your property right now, I'm like, I'm not even done. Look at this place. We ain't even. One thing about it, two things for certain. People need places to live. So it's a business that I don't think will ever go anywhere. Now, I bought this place maybe at the worst possible time that you can buy a place. The reason why I'm not really worried about losing too much money is because I got it back in, we started the process back in July. And back in July, I think interest rates were about 5%, which is high from what we've been getting at the 2% during COVID. So not really too upset about it. And also in July, I was able to bid lower when all the prices everywhere else was going higher in February, March, May. I was actually able to get this property $10,000 lower than the asking. So that was a win right there. I won on the buy, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, will the market drop? I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. So far, we've dropped less than 0.5% in Atlanta, Georgia. So all markets that are going down in the real estate market all markets aren't going down. They're not dropping that dramatically. Now, some places are, like stuff on the Pacific, stuff basically by the water are dropping very heavily. Unfortunately, where I'm located at, that's not the case. So I'm not too worried about it. Even if it does happen, like I said, I'm turning this to a rental home. It's not a flip. So I'm not looking to sell this property within the near future. But what I am looking to do is either do a HELOC or a cash out refinance on the property. So that's why we're working on the property. So we can go ahead, cash out refinance, and then get our money back and then move on to the next property. But in order to do a cash out refinance, the property has to be 20% in value above, original market value. So I have to make 20% on the property in order to do cash out refinance. Hopefully we can do that within a year. If not, 3-4 years, okay, either which way. It'd be a HELOC, worst case scenario, best case scenario, cash out refinance. Okay, so we put these stepping stones down. I'm gonna show y'all my plans for the backyard. This is the part on MTV Cribs where they speed you up. Oh, also what I didn't say is we got another apartment down here. This is the basement. Within the first month, we already got that rented out. That was amazing. I wasn't expecting to have that rented out as fast as it did, but it rented out almost immediately. As soon as I just said that it was available, it rented out. So back here, back to the backyard. So what I plan on doing with this is I plan on leveling this out. Now, I got some guys that are working with me as far as a payment plan is concerned, but they're gonna level this whole backyard out so we can make this space usable. That plus the kitchen should give me my money back in equity value, which is the value of the home. So hopefully by just doing this backyard and the kitchen should give me my equity value back in the value of the home. We're just painting it right now, sprucing it up, make it look nice. You know what I'm saying? For what people will really want. Get the value of the money of the home back, rent the property out, probably create me maybe an $800 to $1,200 income a month for as long as a tenant stays here. Really, to be honest with you, if somebody stays, if the tenant wants top and bottom, yeah, I could really scrape. Because the bottom is like a studio apartment, has its own kitchen, has its own bathroom. It doesn't have a bedroom, but it acts as if it's a studio apartment. So, and the guy that's down there, he loves it. So it's a nice little, bachelor pad or bachelorette pad for somebody willing to, live by themselves and don't have no kids or don't have, a girlfriend, or maybe even if you do have a girlfriend, it's room for two. I wouldn't recommend staying there with a girlfriend though, because yeah, people get in fights in close corners. I feel like it all depends on what kind of girlfriend you got, though. You know what I'm saying? So that's my update since my last video about 7-8 months ago. Bought the car, sold the car, bought the house, working on the house. We got bathrooms up, out of focus again. There we go. We got bathrooms that need to be done. We got the whole vanity out right here. I actually took it out myself to save a little bit of money, but once I got around to trying to put this motherfucker in, nah, not happening. Cause first of all, it's too heavy to get up the stairs by myself. Second of all, it needs some rearranging with the plumbing, so we're paying for that. And then the other, but I'm gonna tell you one bathroom I did do by myself. Let's get a little light in here. I did this one by myself. And I wish I would have recorded it because it was terrible. When I say it was water all downstairs, gushing through the ceiling, and I done tore my ceiling up. You know, but you live and you learn though. Like anything I was able to do to save $1 here and there, I tried to do until I couldn't do it anymore. So it is what it is. The reason why we work on credit though, you know what I'm saying? Like, you want to make sure your credit good so you can burn it up. So I just burnt my credit up. Let's get a light. But when I say I burnt it up, I mean I got high balances. I ain't got no late payments. We still paying our credit card bills on time. But when you need some money, you know what I'm saying? Like, a credit card is some good credit cards is the way to go. Especially if you didn't do a 203K loan. So we got a little high balances for a little while, but it's not gonna matter too much. We'll pay them down as we're living until we're ready to move out and start on the next property. A lot of these contractors, they come in 1 to 2 men, or they come in, you know, 1 person, and it takes them forever to do the work. This is a 4-man crew right here. You know what I'm saying? Hold on.
We took a full-size kite bar and cut it.
¿Está bien?
Focus.
So the next time it's
Yeah.
you will.
They work. They work. Now, trash bag. There's TV. Let's see. Okay. That's about all for that. That's nice. Nice. Then upstairs we got this beautiful vanity being installed that I have thinned out right here. Yep. That's my guy right there. And then this is the bedroom. This is the master bathroom. So I actually took out the single vanity myself. We're having a dual vanity installed. TV up. No bathroom in here. I mean, no bed in here yet. We up. Told my mama I don't need a bed. We sleeping on the floor. You know what I'm saying? We don't need no bed. We sleeping on the floor. You know what I'm saying? While we trying to get this fettuccine Alfredo. You dig? Look, dressed pretty nice for painting. You dressed nice for painting. Look at my body. Look at Bestie got the nice shirt on. Got the nice shirt on. We got some new blinds. We're about to put some new blinds up. I couldn't deal with the blinds that had the strings. The strings get tangled and then you can't, you know what I'm saying? But that's just a quick update of what I got right now. I'm gonna give you another clip in a minute. I'm gonna see you later. 1 second. All right, y'all, if y'all made it this far, I appreciate y'all. It's your boy Lino Chase again. And just gonna go over some clips of the finished product. And if you like it, just leave me like, I'm gonna do a small like goal, 10 likes, new channel. And let me get 10 comments if you want to see the finances behind the project and you want me to break down the numbers, let you know how I did everything, how I got everything done and accomplished. Don't forget to subscribe and holla at your boy.